Welcome to video 5 of 7, Introduction to Data Visualizer Charts. If you haven't yet watched the previous videos, please go back and watch those first. In this video, you will learn how to use the Data Visualizer to easily create dynamic data analysis and visualization through charts. The Data Visualizer is designed to be easy to use by using three key elements of analysis: what, when, and where. Logging into the Data Visualizer. To begin, click on the app's button on the upper right corner of your homepage and select the Data Visualizer icon. The Data Visualizer is divided into two sections. On the left side of your screen, you will find the setting options for your visualization. On the right, you will see the chart display based on those options. Step 1. Selecting the chart type. The Data Visualizer provides 8 different chart types, each with different characteristics. You can select the type of chart of your preference by clicking on one of the icons in the top left bar titled Chart Type. Select the best chart type to display your data, and remember that this can always be changed later. Step 2. Selecting the what, indicators and data elements. Indicators and data elements are the what in the visualizer. Begin by clicking on the Data Elements header and selecting a data element group from the list. You will see a list of different data element groups. Select a data element group that corresponds to the Health Services Report data that you're interested in. Each data element group starts with a 2 or 3-letter prefix. This helps us categorize the data element groups. The Health Services Report data element groups starts with the letters HSR. In this example, we will use HSD, which is the 2013 Health Services database that we imported into the system. Remember, without any data, you cannot create charts or graphs. Once you have selected the data element group name, all the data elements in that group will appear on the left side. From that list, double-click on any data element to select it. This will move it to the selected indicators list. Alternatively, you can use the single arrow to move one or more indicators, or use the double arrow to select all the indicators. We will choose the Health Services data elements in this example. Step 3. Selecting periods. Start by clicking on the periods header. Here you have two ways to choose the period type. For fixed periods, select a period type from the drop-down menu. This could be monthly, semi-annually, etc. If you need data from a previous or next year, click on the buttons that say previous or next year. Once the right periods appear in the box on the left, you can double-click them or highlight them and use the single or double arrow. Once selected, this will move on the right side of the table. For relative periods, first make sure the fixed periods menu is empty. Then you can choose from the options of relative periods in the bottom half of the period menu section. The names are fairly self-descriptive and are relative to the current date. Make sure you only choose one period type. Step 4. Selecting organizational units. Organizational units are geographical units where the data is reported. The Health Services Report dataset sits on the country organizational unit level. Please refer to video 4 for more information on organizational units. Step 5. Display your chart. You are now ready to display your chart. Click the Update button in the upper left of the chart display. If this does not display your chart, make sure you have selected one or more elements for all the 3 dimensions: data, elements, indicators or reporting rates, periods, fixed or relative, and organizational units, units or groups. Selecting chart options and layout. You can select different chart options or layout by clicking on the icons on the top center menu. The chart options allow you to change how the data, axis, and the chart legend and title are displayed. The chart layout allows you to position your data dimensions as table columns, rows, or filters by clicking and dragging the dimensions from the dimensions list to the respective category, series, or filter lists. Click Update to see how your chart is displayed and change the layout or options so that your chart is presented in a clear way. Saving your chart as a favorite. Once your chart is ready, you can save it to easily access it later. Click on the favorite icon on the top menu and then click on Add New. Enter your desired name in the name field. This chart will be only visible to you. You can later add favorite charts on your personal dashboard. Downloading chart as an image or PDF. Once your chart is ready, click on the download icon on the top center menu to save the chart as image or PDF. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or would like more information,